best method to create a login is, first of all, you have to log in into your SQL Server. Okay. After login into your SQL Server, you have to click on this new query. Okay. And you have to create a new page over here. All right. Then here you have to write a small query, that is create login. Then give the login name, that is SA2. Okay. Then you have to write with password, then give the equal symbol, then give the semicolon, and inside that you have to give the password. Okay. All right. Then give the semicolon, then select this two row, then click on execute. But before that, let me show you. Just click on this security tab, then expand this login tab. Okay. And here you can see we have this much login only. Okay. That is SA1 YouTube, right? Now we are creating the new login, that is SA2, along with the password, that is India123. All right. So let me select this again, then click on execute. And here you can see we have successfully created the new login, but here I am not able to see that new login. So for that, just click on it, then right click on it and refresh it. And here you can see this is the new login, that is SA2, that we have created here. Correct. So to check whether this SA2 is working properly or not, first of all you have to copy the password. Okay, Control C, then disconnect it, then again click on this connect tab. Then here you have to select SA2. Okay. Then in the password section, just paste the password that you have copied. Okay. Then click on connect. And here you can see we have successfully logged in along with the new login, that is SA2, by giving the password as India123. Correct. So in this way, we can easily create a login in SQL Server. All right. So thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.